I was just at my local Costco and found some awesome new deals, some new items that I hadn't seen there before. So I wanted to take this time to make a video and highlight some of those items. Again, guys, I'm not 100% sure if all of these are brand new or not. I haven't been to the Costco, my local Costco in a little bit, but still some fantastic values, some items up to 50% off. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna jump into item number one. Now all these are gonna be kind of garage, household, car enthusiast kind of oriented. So number one is going to be the Coast Workshop lamp. Now this thing is absolutely awesome. It comes in at 3,900 lumens, 3 different modes, 16-hour runtime. Obviously, depending on the mode that you're using, it'll run different lengths of time, but up to 16 hours, 360-degree maneuverability, and it has a clamp with a magnet, so you can mount this thing wherever you need it. Now this thing comes in at $39.99. I tried to find some comparables. I found a 1,750 lumen version of this lamp, so a lower lumen lamp on Amazon. That one was currently on sale for $46. So the one at Costco is a higher rated one and cheaper. But if you're looking for an even better deal, I did find a similar item on Amazon. This is a 2-pack. You lose the 360-degree maneuverability, but you still get 270 degrees, so still fantastic. Still get the clip, still get the magnet. Now this one is rated at 2,100 lumens, so it is a little bit less, but you do get 2 of these. It's a 2-pack for $37.99. So I'll leave it up to you which one you'd like, but I will link the one on Amazon down in the description for you as well. I'll link stuff that I can to Costco, but Costco's website's pretty, I don't know, it's not great. You have to go to in-store to really get those deals, it seems like. So, but anyways, the Amazon one will be linked in the description. Next up, we're sticking with the lighting side of things. So we have a 3-pack of Duracell 1,000 lumen flashlights. This thing comes in at $19.99, and that is a fantastic deal for a 1,000 lumen flashlight. Flashlights get expensive, so a 3-pack at 20 bucks is a really good deal. However, I did find, again, once again, a similar item on Amazon. This is actually a 4-pack from a completely no-name brand, but just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. This is a 4-pack. These are actually 1,500 lumens, so a higher lumen rating, and these come in at $16.98 for 4 of them. So a better deal there, but it depends on what you want to do. Duracell and available at Costco is going to be very, very easy to replace them if anything goes wrong with them. Amazon's also very good with the returns, but after that 30 days, it gets a little bit squirrely. With that said, Duracell's not really in the flashlight making industry, right? They're batteries. So who is it made by? I don't know. Maybe the same factory as this no-name one on Amazon. I don't know. But again, with the Costco benefit, you can return that as you need. And one more flashlight to talk about is the FEIT, F-E-I-T, 3,000 lumen flashlight. I have this thing, guys. I have tons of experience with it. It is fantastic. I absolutely love this flashlight. There's 3 modes to it, so you can adjust the lumen output, and then there's also an emergency power bank. You can actually plug in a cord and like charge your phone with it. So really, really cool. It's currently $8 off. So normal price is like 30 bucks basically, and it's currently on sale at Costco for $21.99. Now next up, guys, is this 2-pack of extension cords right here. These are the fantastic, these are 12 gauge, so you can power a lot of stuff through these things. I always recommend, at least I'm a professional car detailer, when I'm using an extractor or something like that takes a lot of power, I always want to go with a 12 gauge because you're not going to run the risk of essentially melting that 16 or 18 gauge cord. You want a nice thick gauge like this one. 3-prong, and it does have an illuminated plug, so you know that power is coming through it, which is really, really nice. This is a 2-pack of 30 footers, so you get 60 total feet, and this thing comes in at $24.99. That is an absolutely phenomenal deal for power cords or extension cords like this. I know Costco used to have a deal like this a long time ago. It was more expensive, but I think they were 50 footers. But anyways, 2 30 footers now, $24.99. It's hard to find a 30 footer and a 12 gauge at that price alone. So the fact that you get 2 of them is a phenomenal deal. Now we've got another extension cord. This is something that I'm gonna be using for my Christmas lights, right? It's that time of year. And then also just great to have, but they have this guy here. So this is an indoor-outdoor extension cord, 2-pack again. They're both 25 feet, 16 gauge though. Again, not a ton of power you can put through these things, but they'll definitely get the job done. Then they have a 3-piece outlet at the end. So really, really nice, especially for running your Christmas lights. And for a 2-pack of 25 foot with the 3-piece extension on the back, this thing is coming in at $14.99. Again, another phenomenal deal when you're talking about your extension cords. It is 3-pronged, so just keep that in mind. So it does have the ground on there. 16 gauge, but really, really fantastic price. Now from there, keeping in with the holiday season, they actually have these smart outdoor plugs. It's a 2-pack, $5 off right now, so it's down to $14.99. Works with Alexa and Google, and could be a really, really good item for your holiday Christmas lights. Now, the next item on the list, I did not personally buy, but I'm going back to get it because I didn't realize how good of a deal this is. It's a really, really fantastic deal for a Christmas gift or holiday gift. This is something, now that I have kids, this is a fantastic gift for me as the dad. Something that I'll probably get my dad. But this is a Leatherman 2-pack of multi-tools. So you get a 7-in-1 tool, which is the Skeletool. And then you also get a 2-in-1 little knife and bottle opener deal. Now this is coming in at $64.99. I did not know if that's a good deal or not. I went on to Leatherman's website, and guys, it's a phenomenal deal. Now the 7-in-1, the Skeletool piece, that thing retails between $75 and $90 on its own. And then when you add in the smaller tool that it also comes with, that thing normally retails for about $40. So again, this item is essentially 50% off. You'd be at $130 or so on the top end, and they're selling it for $64.99. So 50% off, fantastic deal, great Christmas gift idea. So I'll be going back probably today and getting some of those. Okay, now we're down to the last 2 items. The first one is going to be awesome for the car lover, and this is an all-in-one sort of power bank slash jump start kit. This is from the Cat brand. It's a power station. It is a jump starter. It is an air compressor, so for refilling your tires. Really fantastic, and it stores so nicely on this little cubed unit. You get AC power, you also get USB Type C and Type A power, and it also has an LED light, so it's just a really good emergency toolkit, all in one. This thing retails for $129.99. I think it was 1750 amps, I believe, is what the power output on this thing is, but that's gonna be a fantastic choice for starting your car if you're stranded somewhere. These things hold the charge for a long time. I use one from Hulkman and a few other brands, but this one's really nice because everything is all in one. You get the jump starter and air compressor and light and all that kind of good stuff. And $129 is a good value. Usually, a standalone just the jump starter will be in that $100 to $150 range. So really good price. I know Costco also does have, I think it's Michelin, I think it's the Michelin brand. I can't remember off the top of my head, but they have a smaller jump starter pack. That thing's cool too, but the fact that this one's all in one gives you everything you need. Really nice. And last but not least, another item coming in at 50% off the normal retail price is the IQ Video Keypad Garage Door Opener. This thing is essentially a Ring doorbell for your garage. Video keypad, you can actually talk 2 ways through it. Has HD video as well as night vision. Gives you real-time alerts. You can set multiple different PIN codes so you know who's actually coming in and out of the garage. And then you can also set temporary access codes for family that's coming over, or someone's coming out to work in the garage. You need them to be able to give them access while you're not home. You can have temporary limited access codes. Now this on the MyQ website is $99.99. It's on sale on Amazon right now. I think it came in at 60 bucks, so 40% off. But at your local Costco right now, $49.99, so 50% off the normal retail price of that little keypad, which is really cool. Is it an essential thing? Is it necessary? Not for everyone, for sure. I have normal keypads on my garage. Do I need a video on it? Probably not. But at 50 bucks, it's worth. I think I'm probably gonna go with it because I like to be able to control and have knowledge of who's going in and out of the garage if needed. Especially with my kids, I love them to death, but sometimes a tool will go missing. I don't know where it went. I can investigate with this thing. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. It's just some awesome deals, awesome cool items at Costco, and again, some of them 50% off. So really, really good values there. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I will be doing a Black Friday deals video coming up, kind of specifically geared to the car detailing industry. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to like the video. Again, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.